In this video, I'm going to share with you what you need to do to make your partner support you financially. Okay, this video is to teach you what you need to do to make him or her, which is your partner, to support you financially. If you are dating somebody that is financially stable and you are struggling and you have something to, to do with money, but they have not been supporting you, they have not been, helping you financially, but you need their financial support. Even when you tell them that you need their financial support, they give you excuses, they don't listen to you. This video is going to help you, because when you do this assignment, when you do this tip, it's going to make them start reasoning you, it's going to make them start supporting you, after doing this assignment. Okay, so make sure that you pay attention to the end of this video so that you know the materials, you know the steps to do this assignment, so that they are going to support you. Okay, so anyway you are on the one watching this video, you have a partner that is financially stable, but you need their support, to maybe your business or your academics or any other thing that you need money for, and you know very well that they are capable, they can support you, but they are not supporting you. Even when you tell them to support you, they give you excuse. This is how you do the assignment to make them support you. Okay, so you need to get these materials I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, first you need to get a white candle. Okay, now on this white candle you are going to write the name of your partner, and you are going to write your request on this white candle. This assignment is a 3 days assignment. It's something that you do for 3 days. So write the name on the first candle and your request on the same candle. Okay, using anything, marker, pen, or whatever. Okay, write it on the candle. Now once you have finished writing the name and the request on the candle, you get cinnamon powder, make a circle on the ground. Okay, make a circle on the ground. That is where you're going to stand this candle. Okay, you're going to stand this candle at the center of that cinnamon powder that you have used to make a circle on the ground. Stand the candle at the middle of the circle. Now you're going to get something called cowries. Okay, let me get it so you see. You're going to get this particular item called cowries. Put it inside the circle in a 4 place. Okay, inside the circle in 4 place. Make sure that the candle is standing at the center, okay, of that circle with these cowries around it. Now you're going to start calling the name of that your partner and start making a declaration of what you want. If it is financial support on your business, you say it. If it's financial support on your academics, you say it. Okay, anything that you want him or her to support you with, you are going to start mentioning it as you are calling their name. You are going to call their name 7 times and mention those things that you want them to support you with 7 times. Okay, before you light up this candle and you let that candle burn down by itself. Okay, sorry, you let that candle to burn down by itself. Okay, after the candle has finished burning down by itself, you are going to dispose that cowries and that's that cinnamon powder. Okay, the next day you get these materials again and do the same assignment. The third day you get the materials again and do the same assignment. Remember, you're going to do it for 3 days. Okay, and anytime you have chance to do it is when you're going to do it morning, afternoon, or night. Anytime, there is no specific time. Okay, so once you have finished doing this assignment, give them a little time. Okay, give them a little time to support you on that project, on that business, on that academics that you want them to support you with. Okay, and also make sure that you request it again. You go back to them and request for support from them again, and see that this time around that they are going to be positive with their results. Okay, so this is what you need to do for them to support you. Okay, if you have a partner that is financially stable but you need their support, this is what you need to do. And believe me that when you finish doing this assignment, they are going to support you. Okay, they are going to support you when you do this assignment correctly. Believe me that they are going to support you, and this assignment has no side effect on any of you. both them and you. It has no side effect. Okay, it's just natural items that you use to do this assignment. So you don't need to panic or fear of anything that has to do with side effects. Okay, so this assignment is very simple. If you do it correctly, you will thank me later after doing it. So if you have any question that you want to ask, use the comment section. If you have not subscribed to this channel but you like this channel, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up if you like this teaching. And my number is on the screen in case if you want to talk to me. Okay, so I wish you good luck and I wish you success as you do this assignment. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.